What is going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Sorry for the delays on all my videos. I started school back in college now, so I'm trying to balance out a schedule. But my schedule so far right now is all videos will be uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That'll be for right now until I work something else out. But Tuesdays and Thursdays, you guys will expect a video from me. In the meantime, let's get into what today's video is about. Today's video is about Streamlabs OBS on a Mac. I was doing recording, so I'm gonna show you my computer specs, how my computer is spec'd out. I'm gonna show you my recording specs. Just before I started, I was doing some practice games, so you might see my CPU usage down here will be like kind of high, but normally I average 0 to about 6% CPU usage. So hope you just sit back. Hope you enjoy this video. Like this video. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it. And I'll show you these little highlights of how I was recording on just Streamlabs OBS. Let's.
About to go pop some brothers. Hey, boy, hit those. Hell, no problem. Baddest in the building. Okay. Oh, what's I'm talking about? All right, grab that, boy. Back to salty. Glass. Bop, bop, bop. Get those, buddy. Sorry, you're doo-doo. my god.